Hi and hello, I am ATHEENAPANDIAN here. In this video, I am going to share some of the few things about our incorporation collaborated with the MEPCO Slang Engineering College as one of the most oldest college. It started in the year 1980s, most famous institution in South Tamil Nadu, in South India. So we are collaborated with the Department of Biomedical Engineering at MEPCO institutions and conducting on in faculty development program, particularly more number of industrialists we are called for and providing the speech to the students and the faculty members. Industries from the life science, industries from the technical, industries from the medical equipment technology, all these peoples come around. Almost 9 industrialists come and give their thoughts about the technology to the students. 65 students are participated from various institutions, and at the same time 25 faculty members are participated in around Tamil Nadu. So it is very proud moment for us to deliver the this kind of the program to connecting the biomedical engineers. Thank you very much to the management of MEPCO Slang Engineering College, head of the department Dr. Selvati madam, and my friend coordinator Dr. Femina madam, and all these peoples, they are communicating legally to us, and we are ready to provide so many resources like this, because we ATHEENAPANDIAN Private Limited connected almost 49 medical equipment industries. So all the chairmen and all the directors of the companies are closely connected to us. So it is a very great opportunity we can create to the young budding biomedical engineers and the young entrepreneurs to enlighten their curiosity about the medical equipment production and the development. So the research and development area sector wise, more number of thoughts are shared on this faculty development program. It is the most encourageable thing happen. So whichever the institution required this kind of the resources, you can contact us and we can provide faculty development program, workshops and the national international conferences. So use the resources, and it is our duty to enlighten more number of biomedical engineers and the medical equipment manufacturers in the India. Thank you very much for the support and keep watching ATHEENAPANDIAN Private Limited.